Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, coming at you with an interesting sneaker haul video today. It's gonna be a little bit different than our normal sneaker haul videos because I have one shoe that I know I caught from Sneakers app, which was a crazy dub. But the second shoe that we're gonna be opening up today is actually a mystery sneaker in a sense, where a company just sent me the shoe and I have no idea what it is. So I'm excited for that one and it should be a lot of fun. But first, we need to open up that Sneakers dub. If you guys watched the last sneaker haul video, you guys have probably heard me say that in 2020, I have not actually opened the Sneakers app until like literally my last win, which was that Air Max Concepts collab. And then literally the second raffle that I entered got a dub again, and it's a pretty crazy shoe. Because we have been blessed with a pair of Jordan 1s over here, guys. This one is a size 10.5, my size, and man, this is kind of a crazy dub. Even the like paper in here is like premium feeling. The shoe that we actually have though is right here. This is a pair of the Georgetown Jordan 1 highs, the 85s, and man, this thing is, I don't know how I feel about this. Kind of plain, to be honest. And so as mentioned, this is the Georgetown colorway. It's actually made to like commemorate his first NCAA championship against Georgetown, where he beat them. And so it does have those Georgetown Bulldog colors over here. It definitely feels high quality, and it has that vintage tag, right? The 1985 Jordan tag. So you can see this. This is pretty sick. This one, for whatever reason, doesn't resonate with me personally. I have like no attachments to Georgetown. I actually wish that it was like a UNC collab instead, because then the colors would have been popping a little bit more. Not to disrespect Georgetown, great basketball team, but shoe, not really for me. So I'll probably end up selling this one. The resale value of this one is kind of crazy too. I think it's like double the price basically, which is a huge dub. So that was a cool first shoe, but the second shoe is one that I'm more interested in because it's a mystery pair of shoes. Like, I don't know what came in here. What happened was a company reached out to me and they said, hey, we want to send you over a pair of kicks. You can unbox it, do whatever you want with it. And I said sure, because the company is called Mischief. And I'm sure most of you guys have heard of Mischief before, especially in the sneaker realm. They were the ones that created those Jesus sneakers, where there was like the River of Jordan, water, something in the sole. Then also the very controversial Lil Nas X sneakers. Apparently they're back again with a new pair of sneakers, and I don't know what it looks like or what it does. So let's take a look together. Hopefully it's not some demon stuff again. Although the resale value was kind of insane on that. Alright, so before we get into the box, it does have like a little tag up here. It says Mischief Sneakers, at Mischief Sneakers, and at Mischief, I guess, right here. Oh, okay, interesting. So I guess it's a collab between Mischief and Tyga. Very, very random. The box. You guys can see over here, it says Wavy. I think it says Wavy. Mischief x Tyga. On the top, there's like, I don't know, interpret that for me. I have no idea what this is. It's kind of creepy looking. See over here, the tag is a size 10. And for the shoe, okay, and this is what the heck do we have here? Okay, when they said wavy sneaker, this is in fact a very wavy sneaker, man. I gotta say, this thing is super, super heavy. Like, this is probably like, it feels close to 5 pounds. Like, no joke, very heavy shoe. And let's take a close-up look at this together, because there's a lot of branding I want to go over on this. So you guys can see that wavy pattern is definitely running throughout the shoe over here. The actual materials and stuff on this feel solid. Like, it feels like a very well-made shoe. On the back, you can see there has that branding over here again that says wavy. And then also what I noticed on the bottom, you can peel this off, I guess, it says warning, extremely wavy. By placing your foot in this shoe, you agree to waive any claims against Mischief for any injury, death, or damages arising from having your foot in this shoe. By placing your foot in the shoe, you also agree to assume all risk of injury arising from having your foot in the shoe. It's like they're telling you don't put your foot in this shoe. This is very strange. But you guys know Mischief, they're always up to something with this. Obviously the thing that does stand out is like this thing, which there's like no traction on this at all, man. Very, very crazy. I don't know, if this might be the most unique sneaker of the year that's come out so far. And it'll be very interesting to see what the resale value of this is, because I'm sure they're gonna be limited. Mischief always runs like limited edition sneakers. And if you guys are interested in copying these yourself, you actually need to download the Mischief Sneakers app. I'll link it in the description below for you to make it easy. But basically what's happening is they're dropping them on the 18th. Like I said, everything that they sell has insane resale value. So I mean, it would be highly recommended to try to check it out at least. You know, just keep an eye on that drop date, April 18th, but you gotta download the app, the Mischief Sneakers app. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!